The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Replacement of the transparent rubber tube on the peristaltic pump. 1. Press the left and right retaining clips of the peristaltic pump and remove the pump body from the main unit. 2. Press down on the upper and lower clasps of the pump body to open the pump housing. 3. Remove the original transparent rubber tube. 4. Insert the new transparent hose into the slot of the pump body. 5. Secure the pump body housing and ensure that the snap fastener is properly engaged. Six. Insert the assembled pump body back into the main unit and make sure the connection is secure. Remove the pre-installed screws on the instrument. Install the bracket plate. Install the wastewater bottle. Install the hydro handle. 1. Connect the blue tube to the wastewater outlet and insert it tightly. 2. Connect the transparent tube to the right tube of the peristaltic pump. Here there is also an upward arrow indicating that the solution is transported through this tube to the hydro head. Press firmly at the marked position and the blue hose can be pulled out. 3. Fill bottle A with AS1 solution and bottle B with SA2 solution. Connect the tube on bottle A to the left tube of the peristaltic pump and insert it tightly. Here there is also a downward arrow indicating that the solution from bottle A is transported through this tube. 5. Place bottle A and bottle B on the support. The handle of hydro has a white rubber ring. If the white rubber ring is damaged, a spare one can be used as a replacement. There are a total of 8 hydro heads. Select the appropriate one and install it. Install the microdermabrasion handle. 1. There is an air intake hole on the instrument. By unscrewing the cover of the air intake hole, you can see a white silicone ring on the top of the cover. When this silicone ring is damaged, a new one can be used for replacement. 2. Inside the air intake hole, there is a filter cotton. It is recommended to replace the filter cotton for each customer. After replacement, tighten the cover. 3. Connect one end of the white rubber tube to the air intake hole. 4. Unscrew the protective cap at the end of the microdermabrasion rod. Pass the one end of the white rubber tube through the protective cap and connect it to the microdermabrasion rod. Then tighten the protective cap. 5. There is a black rubber ring on the microdermabrasion rod. When this rubber ring is damaged, a spare black rubber ring can be used for replacement. Place the filter cotton on the port of the microdermabrasion handle. Note that it is not placed inside the diamond microsculpting head. 6. There are 4 microdermabrasion heads. Select the appropriate microdermabrasion head and install it. Install the spray handle. 1. Connect one end of the black rubber tube to the vent hole. 2. Mix the saline solution and the essence in a 10:1 ratio. Three. Connect one end of the black tubing to the spray. Install the cold-hot handle. Install the import hub handle. Install the BIO handle. Place all installed handles into the handle holders in turn. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Choose Hydro Settings. Time, 2 minutes. Power, 2. Water FLOW on. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Use your hands to block the nozzle of the hydro device to accelerate the water flow and make it rush up quickly. When the wastewater bottle is full, it must be emptied for the hydro to function properly. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose Microdermabrasion Settings. Time, 2 minutes. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose Spray. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. You need to cover the top of the spray bottle with your hand in order to spray. Choose Import Hub Settings. Mode, EMS. Time, 10 minutes. Energy Level, 3. EMS Energy Level, 3 inch. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose BIO. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy Level, 3. Mode, M1 inch. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose Cold Hot. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy Level, 3. Mode, Cold. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Turn off the power button and unplug the power cord.